Una kazi. Nichukue mbili. Ndio. Today we are working on these sockets. So yesterday we had planned to put it this way from top there, but today we saw that it will take a lot of cable, so we decided just to pass this way. Yeah. Nafikiria itakaa vizuri kweli. Itakaa kweli vizuri. Nafikiria inakaa ni kama hii kitu ingepita chini ingekaa ka nini smart hivi.
Iko sawa tu juu ya pale.
Mimi sioni hata juu ya wapi. Naona kama itatoka vizuri, inakaa smart.
Ukishafunga hiki itaonekana smart sana, nzuri sana.
Muulize yeye kama iko sawa hivyo. Ningetumia nyundo. Inapasua. This light, no, this is just dust here. These lights I want to look at this one. Look at that one. That one is already there. So this one will be putting it here, somewhere here. Let me show you. Somewhere here. This one now will be for the gate. Security lights for the gates. So either somewhere there like this here. The gate is here. Yeah. You see that? Wow, and already we've put these lights. You know, right now it's in the lights are what do we call? It's so bright right now, so you can't see these ones lighting. Let's see like this. See that? Hey, at night, my friend, I tell you, at night it will be best. And then we've brought also some bulbs here. Let me light them. You see, look at that. Look at that. Hey, these bulbs, I tell you, 4 of them. That is it. Wow. So yeah, that is it. as we continue with the walk. We continue with walk. Oh, sorry. Hey, take wa kwamba. Ama nyumba iko hapa, tutapigilia aje hizo vitu zitashinda kweli. Au zimechukua nini kama jana? Yeah. Minutes. Kato. Everything is good. This wire is for this one, this socket here. So in the kitchen we use the 2.5. 2.5 is this one, a heavy one. You know, maybe here they'll put a fridge. Here maybe they'll put a cooker somewhere here. So this one will remove when a cooker will be brought. That one will remove. This one maybe for, you know, those kitchen machines there, you know. Yeah. And yeah, we are waiting for a wire to be put here. We shall put a wire here, you see, from there like this. And the lights will be lighting in the kitchen. You know. It's already here, by the way. It's already somewhere here. Let me see. It's here. It's here. So, and it has power. That's why I've put a sellotape like that. It has power. And you see? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Wait. Look at that. Now, oh, this thing is warm. Yeah. And here also, we have this one. Look at this one. I just switched off. I switch on. There. Look at that. Look at that. You see? Wow. What are you complaining at? Fima Travels. So, this is Max Creative Hub. As you can see now, it's almost ready, by the way. Not even almost. I can say it's ready. Look at this. Look at that. You see? This one, it's for preventing, maybe you see children are playing here, so that they can get inside there. You know. Look at that. You see? So the children can't get inside there because of that rope, and it has been put into a design. Now, you know, it was to prevent children from getting in, but now it's a design also. You see, it looks very nice. You know. And here we have this light. We've placed this light here. We've placed that light there. You see. Now that light will be lighting at night. Maybe at the gate here. Here is the gate. The gate will be put here, and then there is also the wire mesh was. Today the wire mesh was being placed, and these wires. Now you must go all the way from the gate, then you get inside here. You can't get in from anywhere you want. Let me show you. Look at that. Until the other far end, you see? You can't get in just the way you want, you know. Even maybe dogs, cats can't get in because there's this wire mesh, this one here. So it prevents the dogs and cats from getting in, you know. And it's a good design, by the way. It's a good design. Good one. That is it, guys. That is it. Fema Travels and Okwemba.
Hi.
Hello. Let me take a picture of you too. Move. Okwemba, you are taking tea.
This is tea.
Okay.
Yeah, hello guys.
Uh-huh.
This is Fema Travels, and I'm at Brashibi's YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I'm very happy to be here.
Yeah, welcome.
Today Brashibi was doing the wiring,
Engineer.
electrical engineering.
Engineer himself.
So I came to visit them. I just arrived today in the morning. I said I'm not working today. I just came to visit them here, and I have really been amazed with the work he's doing.
Yeah.
You are doing a nice job.
You never knew I can.
I never knew you can actually.
In fact, you told me I usually tell you I'm an electrical engineer, but you don't believe.
Yeah, but now I have
You
seen
believe
it
now.
myself. Yeah, I have seen it. So guys, go and subscribe to my channel. The name is Fema Travels.
Yeah.
Pushing me to 4,000 watch hours. Go and watch my playlist.
Playlist, yeah.
Playlist. You know I like saying prayers a lot.
Yeah.
So guys, go and watch my playlist. Push me to 4,000 watch hours. I would really appreciate it. The name is Fema Travels. FAYMAR Travels. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, that's Fema Travels.
How are you?
And now my assistant here.
Your assistant. Okay, I'm I'm taking some drink.
Bosa.
Busara.
Busara. Yeah.
That's Bosara.
Busara. It is not Busara.
It's
but
not
Busara.
alcoholic, by the way.
Yeah, it is
That's
like
not
porridge.
alcoholic, yeah.
It is like porridge, guys.
Yeah.
So we are here. We have been doing amazing work. Yeah, of fixing electricity.
Yeah.
Yeah. After the end of this video, you will see the amazing work we have been doing.
Yeah.
So keep tuned, guys. Yeah. So thanks for watching Mr. Rashbi. Push him to 20,000 subscribers who watch his video. Yeah, he needs more views. Yeah, he needs to take some to eat money. Yeah. So guys, push him by viewing his video. So and watch his video and then leave us with a comment. I'm also a YouTuber, guys. Yeah, for those who don't know me, I'm Okwemba. You can check me Okwemba, subscribe, comment, and like and share. Yeah, and then watch my video too. Yeah, and then leave us with a comment. Yeah.
That's Okwemba, guys.
Okwemba.
Okwemba. Yeah, he has been helping me. We were installing this electricity together. You see? Neat work. Look at that. Look at that. Neat work. the wires are not just passing around, you know. So we are just waiting for a wire to connect from there to this side, you know, and everything will be done and dusted. Okay guys, so that's it. Continue watching this video and make sure you will tell me what you think about this video. Tell me what you think about this video, guys. Thank you so much. Continue watching this video to the end.